Hey, so we have here. Okay, let me check.
Where?
Okay,
In the bedroom.
yellow. Next one, yellow chair. Okay,
Oh,
table. And brown. And the black cat. This is a cat. And
yeah.
it's color red. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's move to another topic. Okay, another topic.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands.
Okay, so thank you. So this one, let's move to another topic because we still have time. Okay, Teacher Ann will share to you the reading. Where's the reading here? Wait me, huh? Da, 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 da. Okay, so before we will move to Unit 13, let us have Unit for 12B. Can you see this, Kate? Okay, so this one. Choose the correct words and write them on the line. Okay, number one is cop. Okay, what do you think?
You share?
Oh. So, oh, you just speak. Do not write, speak.
What?
More people live here than in a village. What is this?
Teacher, you share me?
Okay, number one. What is the answer?
I can see.
You cannot see again. Wait. Okay, this one. Can you see it now?
Wait. Oh, yes.
So please answer.
More people live here than in a village. Uh, uh, More people live here than in the village.
This
If I kept clamping this in
a town.
in the holiday mountains,
It's mountain.
you can buy lemonade in this.
Mm-hmm.
The wait. You can buy lemonade.
Okay, mountains. Three.
Bottle.
You can buy lemonade in this
Bottle.
battle. Four.
You
You
find
find
like in sheep here a farm.
Okay, it's a farm. Very good. You need this to go up to the second floor.
The star.
Okay, this one. Then it is big
Big and
and
round.
round, and we all live there. What is this? It's
The world.
the world, teacher. Very good. Okay, this one. You have to say yes or no. Look at the pictures, huh? Okay, the pictures is quite complicated. Okay.
Talk.
Yes or no?
No.
Oh, yes. Look at the picture. This is the picture, this one.
Ah.
Okay. Next, a
A
boy
boy with red trouser
is.
is riding a bicycle.
Let me see.
No.
Okay. No, very good. 3.
One of the children has got a pet snake. Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, correct this one. Okay, 4.
3 boys are playing with a pool. No.
No, 5.
5. The girl under the tree is eating.
Okay, no.
No.
Next, 6.
Drinking.
Drinking. 6.
The girl next to the wall is wearing trousers. Next.
Yes. Look at
Yes.
this one. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. You have to answer. Please read the question properly so you can answer properly. Okay?
Okay. Why did you come for table tennis yesterday? Because I was tired.
Oh, yes, very good. Why didn't you come for a table tennis yesterday? Because I was tired. Okay, next one. So this one.
This one. Okay. Do you want to come and see my new kite?
5.
I want it.
Okay, I've got to go home. Do you want to come and see my new kite? No, I've got to go home. Okay, can you come tomorrow then? What is the answer?
Can you come tomorrow then? Is today? No. It's today.
Can you come tomorrow then? Oh, I am asking you, can you come tomorrow? Kate?
I ask my mom.
Okay, very good. I will ask my mom. Have you got a homework to do?
Have you got homework to do?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I have got to.
Okay, yeah, you're correct. Yeah, you're correct. You can say, yes, I've got to, or yes, a lot. Why are you stopping there? Here. Here. Why are you stopping here?
This is my house.
Okay, this is my house. That's why I need to stop here.
Here are your books then. Oh, yes.
Okay.
They
Here are
are.
your books then. Oh, yes. Thanks. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one. Please, this is the last activity. please try to answer about Jim. Okay. Can you tell me the answer about Jim?
One day last week, Jim got up and went to work. He put on his trouser, skirt, and jacket very quietly, because his family weren't awake. Then he went to the bedroom, had a shower, and cleaned his teeth.
Okay, teeth. Very good. His teeth. He went downstairs.
Downstairs to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee.
Okay, very good. Oh, coffee. And
And ate
some
some
bread
bread
and
and
cheese.
cheese. Then he
Then
picked up his bag and
rode
rode
to work
to work on his
on his
bike.
bike. He
He was
was
surprised because the street was very quiet.
there were no
There
cars,
were no car of people
people
there.
there.
Jim
Jim
worked at the library, but when he tried to open door of the library,
very good. He
couldn't
couldn't.
a man with a doll stop it to word to talk to him. It's Saturday,
It's
he
Sunday, you know.
said. A Sunday, no. He said the library isn't open today.
Jim
No. Jim loud.
laughed. Laughed. Like ha 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 laugh. Oh, that's it. That's laughed. Okay. Laughed. Okay. What is the name of the boy? What is the name of the boy?
It's Jim.
Jim. Okay. What did Jim eat? And kitchen.
With the
Bread and
bread and cheese.
bread and cheese. Very good. Yay, great job. Okay, Kate, thank you so much for today, teacher, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.